Imagine the aroma of a freshly baked Neapolitan pizza wafting through your kitchen with a crispy golden crust and perfectly melted cheese without stepping foot in a pizzeria. This Anatole Electric Pizza Oven 12-inch 1800-watt indoor countertop pizza maker makes this dream a reality. This ETL-certified multifunctional pizza oven is designed to bring restaurant-quality results to your home, solving common cooking frustrations like uneven baking, soggy crusts, and long preheat times. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or a busy parent craving quick, delicious meals, this compact powerhouse delivers. Let's dive into why this oven is a game-changer for home cooks, solving common cooking problems. Traditional ovens often fall short when it comes to pizza. They struggle to reach the high temperatures needed for that authentic crispy crust, and uneven heating can leave you with doughy centers or burnt edges. Outdoor pizza ovens, while effective, are bulky and weather-dependent. The Anatole Electric Pizza Oven addresses these pain points with precision. Its 1800-watt power ensures rapid heating, while dual upper and lower heating tubes provide 360 degrees circular baking for uniform results. Plus, its countertop-friendly design means you can enjoy perfect pizza indoors, year-round, without sacrificing space or dealing with propane tanks. Why the Anatole Electric Pizza Oven stands out. Compact yet mighty. Measuring 17.2 inches by 14.6 inches by 7.3 inches, this oven fits comfortably on most countertops and features a foldable handle for easy storage. Despite its small footprint, it handles 12-inch pizzas, tarts, sausages, chicken wings, toasts, pies, and more, making it a multifunctional kitchen superstar. Customizable cooking. With a 0 to 60-minute timer and 225 to 450 degrees temperature control, you can fine-tune settings to suit your recipe. Whether you're crafting a thin crust margarita or a loaded deep dish, the smooth, easy-to-use dials give you full control. Fast and even heating. The 1800-watt power delivers rapid preheating, cutting down wait times. The dual heating tubes ensure uniform heat distribution, so every slice is cooked to perfection. No more soggy middles or charred edges. Hassle-free cleanup. The removable pizza grill, pizza pan, and crumb tray make cleaning a breeze. No scrubbing or scraping. Spills and crumbs slide right off, leaving your oven spotless. Safety first. ETL-certified for peace of mind, this oven comes with an insulated glove to protect your hands when retrieving hot pizzas. A simple tip. For cooking times under 5 minutes, set the timer to 10 minutes, then dial back to your desired time for precise results. Real-world performance. A pizza lover's dream. I tested the Anatole Electric Pizza Oven over a weekend, and it exceeded expectations. First, the setup was a breeze. Everything was ready straight out of the box. Note, the pizza pan is tucked under the machine, and the crumb tray is inside, so don't miss them. I started with a classic margarita, using the included pizza pan. After preheating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, about 10 minutes, the oven baked a 12-inch pizza in under 8 minutes. The crust was golden and crispy, with that coveted, chewy texture, and the cheese bubbled perfectly. Next, I tried chicken wings, which came out juicy with a delightful crisp exterior. The oven's versatility impressed me. It's not just for pizza. The adjustable controls were a standout. I dialed down the temperature for a thin crust pizza and cranked it up for a thicker pan-style pie. Each time, the results were consistent, thanks to the 360-degree heating technology. Cleanup was equally impressive. The removable tray caught all the crumbs, and a quick wipe down had the oven looking brand new. Who is this oven for? The Anatole Electric Pizza Oven is perfect for pizza enthusiasts. If you dream of crafting authentic Neapolitan, New York, or thin crust pizzas at home, this oven delivers pizzeria-quality results. Busy families, quick preheating and cooking times, pizzas in as little as 5 minutes, make it ideal for weeknight dinners. Small space dwellers. Its compact size and foldable handle suit apartments or kitchens with limited counter space. Versatile home cooks. Beyond pizza, this oven handles tarts, wings, toasts, and pies, making it a multi-use appliance for creative cooks. Benefits that seal the deal. Here's why the Anatole Electric Pizza Oven is worth every penny. Restaurant-quality results at home. Achieve crispy, evenly cooked pizzas with minimal effort, rivaling your favorite pizzeria. Time-saving efficiency. Fast preheating and cooking mean you're enjoying your meals sooner, perfect for busy lifestyles. Easy maintenance. Removable parts and a crumb tray simplify cleanup. so you spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.